Today on Todd's Tits, we are looking at another mixed annual planter.
Hey folks, this is concrete iron, has mixed annuals. This is called New Guinea impatient. Another creeping guinea there, it overwintered there, it's coming back up. Million bells petunia, and this is a Persian shield. Should get taller, bushier. Again, to keep it healthy, this gets morning sun and late afternoon sun, as you can see right now. Also, it gets filtered sunlight through the tree throughout the day, but it does get a lot of shade as well. To make it stay pretty, I deadhead, so whenever I see flowers that need to come off, I take them off as they're fading. Sometimes you'll see leaves that need to come off, I pull those off. Keep it watered. I don't let it get very dry. I let it dry out in between waterings, but not for very long, and then I water with a lot of water and some fertilizer. So anyway, thank you. So hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you later.